Hey guys, Bob here. I know there's a modification out for like the 15 to 19 body style trucks where you can have your cargo lights and your mirrors come on when you put the truck in reverse automatically. I've been messing around with my BCM most of the day. This is a 21 GMC Sierra Denali HD with the diesel. I would think it would work on 2020s as well. Maybe someone can confirm, but it works very similar to how the one in the older trucks worked. If you're just looking for the cargo lights to come on in reverse, totally the same procedure, just different pinouts. I went a step further. I have my factory auxiliary switches. I made auxiliary 2 here, be able to power up the lights regardless of what the truck's doing. So if you're going down the highway and you hit auxiliary 2, your mirror lights and all of your reverse lights will come on even in drive. So this is a very simple modification to do. You're gonna need 2 taps like these ones seen here, 2 butt connectors to connect wire, and then the ability to follow directions. So the first one you're going to be looking for is this brown connector here on your ECM. You're looking for pin number 26 on this. It's in the bottom row all the way to the right side. So mine was a blue and brown wire in this case. We tapped into that one. And then the second wire you're going to be looking for is in the black connector in pin number 9. The location of this pin is up 3 from the bottom and over 1. Mine in this case was a white wire with a purple tracer. Now, the simple way to do this is if you only want them to come on in reverse, you don't care about the switch like I did, all you'll do is you will put a jumper wire between these 2 connectors. So you'll just have a red wire that loops right to here and nothing more. I put mine to my auxiliary switch, so that just takes one more step where you take these, you tee them into one wire like so, and then you just tie it into your auxiliary power out or even a 12 volt out on a switch you've mounted. It really doesn't matter. I just have the factory auxiliary switches. So the way this works, you take the truck. So my phone died. I'm just picking up where I left off in the last video. So I was saying, you take the truck, you start it. Now I'm in park, as you can see. I'm gonna fold my mirrors in so you can see the lights easier, but my factory tow mirrors. So you put the truck in reverse, your lights come on automatically on their own. And you can also see out back there, the reverse lights are on too. You put it back in park, everything goes out. Reverse, you get your lamps, park, everything goes out, simple. So everything in that aspect works exactly how it did on the old trucks. If you wanted to go a step further like I did with the auxiliary switch, things now work a little differently. So I'm in park, I'm gonna shift to drive. I'm now in drive, rolling forward. If I hit this switch, all of my lights come on, just like how they did in the old truck. I can drive down the highway at 85 miles an hour and all these lights are on. The only difference is on the old trucks, when you did this, this became your reverse camera. For whatever reason on the 21s, I don't know why, the screen just goes black. I'm assuming it has something to do with the camera module because there's 15 cameras in this truck or whatever instead of just the one in the old one. Not really a problem. The second you can either hit home after the after the auxiliary switch is off, you can either hit home like that and it will return to normal, or if they're on like this when it's dead, if you go to reverse, it'll go to your reverse camera automatically. If you shut the switch off now, I'm backing up, that's why the lights are still on. But if you set the switch off, it will return to normal on its own when you go to park. So I'm in park, lights go out, and then it will time out back to the same thing. So again, that's the only difference, where when you're in drive and you activate the reverse switches, this screen will just go blank. To correct it, when you shut the switch off, just click home. So that wraps this up. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.